Welcome students to my English class. Today's date is 29th of April 2021 and day is Thursday. The topic which we will be covering is the workbooks theme 1, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. So theme 1, worksheet 1, in theme 1 we are going to learn few basic things. Let's see what are those. We are going to learn simile. It's a figure of speech. What is a figure of speech? Figure of speeches are literary devices which are used to enhance the English language. So, a simile is one of them. What is a simile? A comparison between two things using as or like. Whenever we use the words as or like and we compare between two things, it is known as simile. See, here you can see two pictures which are being compared. One is a girl and another is a son. So, the girl has blue eyes, blonde hairs and bright smile, whereas the sun is round in color, round in shape, yellow in color and bright, very bright. So how can we match these two things? Her smile is as bright as the sun, so her smile is bright like the sun. So here we get to see two things are being compared using as and like. So this is what is a simile. Whenever we use two different objects and we use as and like to form comparison between these two things, it is known as simile. Next thing which we are going to learn today is collocations, word partnership or words that are commonly used together by native speakers. So we will learn collocations also. Word plus words form collocation. Now moving on to the exercise, see what we have now. We have this: a simile is a figure of speech that compares two things or person using the words as or like. So this is simile. Now we will move to the example. She is as light as a feather. She eats like a bird. Now what we have to do in exercise A4, complete this comparison with the help of words in the box. We need to use words from this box and fill these sentences. So the first one is as busy as a bee. Next one, as quiet as hills. As cool as a cucumber. As strong as an ox. Next one is as sharp as a razor. As old as a church mouse, as sour as a vineyard vinegar, as heavy as a lead. So, as sour as a vinegar and as heavy as a lead. Now, next, what it is given? Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of words in the brackets. We need to use the words appropriately in the blank. He was happy as he was successful in his examination. On examining the boy, the doctor discovered that he fell ill frequently due to his unhealthy habits. They should consider their decision of leaving this place. Next one, the team was honored after having won the championship. The story that she narrated was unbelievable. My mother asked me to wrap the gifts once the guests left. Now, collocations. What are the collocations? Collocations are pairs of words that go together. For example, deep river, strong wind, wonderful player. So, here you can see one word plus another word forming into a collocation. So here what we need to do, fill in the blanks with the correct options. I had not expected a gift from my sister, but it came as a pleasant surprise when I received one. Next one, my father's boss has invited us for a grand party. The two friends got into a heated argument. She made a big mistake by not going there. Moving on to the next part. Metro train metro trains travel at a great speed. All of us know about the speed of metro. So its speed is huge. So it's great speed. Now, children, look over here. This A7 you need to do as homework, where you need to find the meanings of these given words from the dictionary and write it over here. So, moving on to the next part of the lesson, we'll move to theme 1, worksheet 2. Conjunctions. What are conjunctions? Conjunction is a word which is used to join phrases, clauses, and sentences to one another. Like example, we have and, but, for, as, also, however, hence. So conjunctions are the joining words, better known as the joining words. Those are used in words, phrases, clauses, and sentences to join two different sentences. Now moving to worksheet 2, what do we have? We have got conjunctions. Conjunctions are also called joining words. They join parts of sentences or even two sentences together. One is coordinating conjunction. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinate or joins two or more sentences, main clause with another part of the sentence. For, and, but, or, yet, so, nor are coordinating conjunctions. Some conjunctions shows contrast, such as conjunctions are yet, though, although, but, and still. So here are very few examples given, children, which you need to go through. Like, how can we use though? Though we are good friends, I have never been to her house. Conjunctions like as, so, since, and because show reason. I will not go to school as I am not well. So, this is a reason which is provided. Conjunctions like so that shows purpose. Rahim is studying hard so that he can do well in his exam. So, his purpose of studying hard is to do well in his exam. Conjunctions like and show addition. I love to eat sandwiches and drink milk for breakfast. So we are adding sandwiches and milk. Conjunctions like either, neither, nor shows choice. Either I can choose one or the next. Either my sister or I will go with you tomorrow. Neither Sam nor Honey came to our house yesterday. So, children, now I guess you have got a little bit of idea regarding what is conjunction. Now, let's practice some of the conjunctions. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Similar could not join us for the trip. He not well. He was not well. So, dash what we will write because he was not well. His father's he falls asleep while traveling from home to school. Next, we have got a list of such words where we have to fill it with the words. We have to choose the correct option. Though Harris tried his level best, he could not win the race. She talks too much in the class, yet she finishes her work on time. You can take him along if his mother permits. Joe was annoyed, but he kept quiet. Would you like to have some tea or coffee? The children are watching television and chatting. The fisherman has been waiting for quite some time but hasn't caught any fish. Although he worked hard, he could not succeed. Okay, so these are the list of sentences. Everyone must write it properly in your workbook. Moving to B2, fill in the blanks using conjunctions from the box. So here it is done for you all. We chose the words in the box to fill up the sentences. Like we will do the first one. The little boy began to weep because his father had scolded him. Then his mother came and took him to the market to buy some toys. They went to the toy shop but found it closed as it was Sunday. So you can see we have used because, and but to join these long sentences. Similarly, next one, Ramesh does not travel by AC because the tickets are expensive. Even if he thought of doing so in case of an emergency, he would not be able to do so for various reasons. Next one, we have decided that the summer vacation we would go to either Nainital or Kashmir because we have been to all other hill station. One year or the other. If our cousins from United States come over, then we may visit Shimla because they have never been there. Now in B3, what we will have to do? We have to join sentences given below using appropriate conjunctions. The first one has been done for you. So the first one is done. See, these two sentences are joined with conjunction. We'll move to the number B. She is not very intelligent. She works hard. How we can join these two sentences? She is not very intelligent, but she works hard. Next one, they may go to Delhi or Chennai. I bought a book, but the book was not to my interest. He is extremely naughty, yet his friends love him. The birds heard the gunshot, so they flew away. So, we have come to the end of the exercises. So, children, I hope all of you have understood today's lesson. It is clear to all of you. We will discuss more in the live class. If you have any doubts, please get it clarified. So, this much for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.